Hello, I'm Daniel Skurnick, Executive Pastry Chef of Le Coucou Restaurant and Budokan Restaurant in New York City. We're going to make chocolate cinnamon rugelach, one of my favorite cookies when I was growing up. To begin the recipe, we're going to start out by putting all of our dry ingredients into the bowl. Flour, sugar, salt, and the cinnamon. We're going to pulse the machine just a couple times to mix the ingredients. We're going to add our butter. So now we're going to keep pulsing the machine until the butter breaks down into kind of small pieces around the size of a pea. We're going to add our cream cheese to the bowl last. And now we're going to continue mixing until a small ball will form. We're going to take it out of the bowl. We'll just kind of spread it out a little bit to make it easier to roll later and put it in the refrigerator to chill. Now the dough has chilled for a few hours, we're going to take it out, use a little bit of flour to dust your dough, and roll it to about 5 millimeters thickness. We're going to put it back in the refrigerator to chill and be a little bit easier to work with. Now that our dough has chilled, we're going to fill them. I'm using toasted hazelnuts and a chocolate hazelnut spread. For the hazelnuts, I'm just going to give them a rough chop. And spread on a chocolate hazelnut spread. You don't want to use too much, just a nice thin layer. And now we'll sprinkle on our hazelnuts. Now that our dough is ready, we're going to cut our cookies. So I like to trim off the edges a little bit, and then we'll cut it down the middle. We'll cut triangles from here. So now we're going to roll up our rugelach into their final shape. So start on the wide end and roll it up to the point. Place them on the baking tray with the point on the bottom. That way they won't unroll when they're baking. Bake them at about 160 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes or until they're golden brown in color. After they come out of the oven, I like to give them a light dusting of powdered sugar. Chocolate cinnamon rugelach. Most people don't think of using cream cheese in a cookie dough, but I like how Liberty Lane cream cheese adds a distinctive, tangy flavor to the cookies.